I'm the girl that you think you have seen
Seen
somewhere,
somewhere.
but can't remember where.
Okay, so do you have a count of how many times you said Babu or Papa in the
जो मेरा कुछ इमोशनल सीक्वेंस आया था तो उसमें वो रोए भी है ना, मेरे से ऐसे वीडियो वीडियो से when he was crying, ऐसे मुझे कुछ नहीं है अब जो हवा में उड़ा देगा. You know, I'm very grounded. I understand how temporary all these things are, and I'm very happy how my journey has unfolded. I am my dad's most. I can't say that. I have a younger brother. Sorry, Hardik.
Hello, this is Srijita Sen from Filmfare, and today I am with Vamika Gabi. We are going to talk about Bhool Chuk Maaf. The film is released in the theatres. If you have not watched it, please book your tickets as soon as you can because it's a laughter riot. Congratulations on the good response that you're getting on the film. Tell me, what are you feeling right now? Who gave you the best compliment?
I'm feeling very happy, surprised, happy, surprised, uh, overwhelmed. I don't know how to explain this. I think nobody really expected this, and we're so happy that the we're so happy with the love that we're receiving from the audience. And I'm so glad my parents enjoyed it so much. My whole family enjoyed it so much. So now I know that there's this film. That's why I actually went to Chandigarh to watch it with them. Because the kind of response we were getting, I was like, I have to go to Chandigarh and watch it with my family. So yeah, I'm very happy. Very, very, very happy.
Okay, before I talk more about the film, I don't know whether you remember this, but before the release, when I was talking to you, I asked you about your Insta bio, and I was like, Vamika, people know you now. So, I'm the girl who no one knows does not make any sense. And you said you're going to change it after
No.
the release of the.
No. It's not that I'm the girl who no one knows. It's I'm the girl that you think you have seen
Seen
somewhere,
somewhere.
but can't remember where.
But now I think people do.
Yeah, maybe. Fine, I'll change it.
Okay. I'll
The
remember.
second week of Bhool Chuk Maaf, I'll change it.
If you don't, then I'll call you again.
Please.
Okay, so do you have a count of how many times you said Babu or Papa in the film?
I have no idea.
Your character was so cute.
Thank you. And she is that. Her two most important people in her life is Babu and Papa. So these are the two names that you see her. Like she's that Papa ki pari.
Yeah.
You know? And she become like how most of us become those child and that irritating or cringy people in front of our partners. तो यही दो हैं उसके. तो वो अपने I'm not sure अगर वो अपनी फैमिली के सामने कभी रंजन को बाबू बुलाएगी. बट उसके सामने दोस्तों के सामने तो वो बाबू ही कहेगी ना, because that's the relationship that
Yeah.
Cher and their friends know about it. So yeah.
So what was your papa's reaction on seeing this?
He was so happy. He was laughing. I was so happy that he's getting my humor. And he was laughing in that Babu and my jokes. And when जो मेरा कुछ इमोशनल सीक्वेंस आए थे तो उसमें वो रोए भी है ना, I just made a ऐसे वीडियो धीरे से when he was crying. But yeah, I'm very happy that my parents like.
So are you a Papa ki pari in real life like Titli?
No, I'm not. I am my dad's most. I can't say that. I have a younger brother. Sorry, Hardik. I am, but I'm the elder child, right? I am, and my father is the eldest of all his siblings. So I was the most like pampered one. So मैं पापा की परी नहीं, मैं पूरे घर की परी थी. So I was like that, but never like this. Papa. That's the thing.
How would he react if you start calling him like that?
I think he just like look at me differently, like what's wrong with you? Like ऐसे नहीं होगा, उनको तो मेरा ड्रामा ऐसे पकड़े ना वो.
Oh, sweet. Talking of social media and Instagram, have you seen the fan edits on you where people say that, oh, she looks so much like Aishwarya and such beautiful eyes? Have you seen those edits?
Yeah.
How do you feel when, you get compared with actresses such as Aishwarya?
You know, these are the women that I have grown up watching and loving and like falling in love like with each film that they've done. And for them to compare me with them, first of all, doesn't make sense to me. I'm like, there's no comparison. These are like, they are like these are iconic people that you're talking about. But then I also understand the innocence and the love that the people who've seen my work or the people who admire me, like I understand the innocence and the love that they are showering on me. So I'm thankful also, but I'm like, no, this is unbelievable. This is obviously this is not true, but I understand your feelings. Thank you so much. It's that. But yeah, it's very overwhelming to receive this kind of love from your audience who is trying to who's seeing this kind of beauty in you, and beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And I'm very happy that they look at me with so much love. Yeah.
So sweet.
है ना?
हाँ
नहीं तो कहाँ ऐसे कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि इतना प्यार और ऐसे
मिलेगा.
हाँ मतलब imagine they take out time यार to
Yeah.
put those photos together, to put those clips together, write something,
To observe your eyes.
edit, हाँ, choose a song, and then post that online and show their love to me. It's so beautiful. It's so overwhelming.
And to think about it, you have spoken about this phase of yours where you felt like giving up. From there to this. So how does that transition feel? Do you feel like, oh my god, क्या ये सपना है? What's happening?
Yeah, man. I think, but I'm glad that I went through that time where I felt that okay, I'm done. And I went through this whole journey of so many years where I felt like maybe I'm not meant for this and da da da. Maybe God wanted me to be sort of on the ground only when He actually gives me what I've always wanted in life. And I think, yeah, I'm on ground, and nothing can really uh ऐसे मुझे कुछ नहीं है अब जो हवा में उड़ा देगा. I'm very grounded. I understand how temporary all these things are, and I'm very happy how my journey has unfolded. And I only have gratefulness here. Only I'm very thankful. I remember this time when I also used to feel that I wish I was born in a filmy family.
Yeah.
I wish like things were easier for me. I wish we were very, very rich so that I could do so much,
Yeah.
in Bombay with that money. Now when I look back, I'm like, thank God. Thank God I was born in the family that I was born. Thank God for all the hardships that God gave me. I read this somewhere that when you want peace, when you ask for peace from God, God doesn't give you peace.
No.
He will create chaos for you to find your peace.
True.
He will always create conditions for you. And the kind of things I've learned in this journey could not have been possible without everything that I faced in this journey. And that obviously everything that has happened or where I was born or the parents that I have, they all contribute to this journey. So I would not want to change anything in my life.
People have their own journeys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I feel like whatever that I've learned, I might not have learned all this. I might have, as if I must be like flying high, must have been flying high, or मैं वापस ही ना आती हूँ and then थप करके गिरती. So I'm so glad that God, made me go through this journey where even now, when my dreams are coming true, I'm very much relaxed in my life. I understand the importance of what's more important. I understand my friendships, my relationships, my family is that is really going to matter.
Uh, were you ever in a situation where maybe you auditioned for something, but maybe that opportunity was given to someone who comes from the film family or has more privilege than you have?
Everybody must have gone through that. This is nothing new, and it's not just started happening. It's been happening since so long, and I'm sure, like me, other people who have also faced the same thing, where they felt that they've given a good audition, where they must have felt that where things must have been promised to them, and it didn't work out. But you get to know later why it didn't work out. And then it's also the lack of faith that people want to put in young actors, new talent. They want to go a safer route with somebody else who just has more popularity because they're somebody,
Yeah.
so and so. But then by saying that, I cannot just, but again, I cannot just endorse this कि अच्छा ऐसे होता है. But then there are other people also who does put faith in
Right.
new talent, and who does keep who do keep their promises, and there are, and not just like, matlab, even like a person like Karan Johar or Aditya Chopra or Yash Raj Chopra or Maddock for that matter. They are the people who have in their journeys also pushed new actors and talent. So I think it's all experience, but I'm sure people must have faced all these things. And ठीक है यार, सब experience करना भी चाहिए for you to understand where you stand.
Exactly. Like your experience taught you so much.
Yeah, and I would not like to change it at all.
So when you were in films such as Jab We Met or Love Ajkal and you were just playing side characters, small characters, and someone else was the lead, did you ever have these thoughts ki, theek hai, when I become the heroine, this is the kind of film I'm going to work in, this is how I'm going to look? Did you have all those, visions, dreams?
I was the biggest Devdas fan. So I would always have Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Devdas in my room, playing on my TV all the time. I had a small as a box wala TV. This is, I'm talking about, I was in 6th, 7th standard in school. And that's when I had this big TV. My parents had like kept one TV and I had this VCR as to put Devdasi cassette and just keep watching it. So even on the set of Jab We Met or Love Ajkal, I was just a kid. All I wanted to do is I want to do films. I want to be a hero. I want to be an actor. तो उस वक्त कहाँ पता था कि ये कुछ होगा भी कि नहीं होगा, बट ये तो जरूर था कि एक दिन
कुछ करना है, करके दिखाना है.
होगा, करूंगी. बट बहुत धीरे धीरे ऐसे लगता था कि बहुत ही मुश्किल है यार ये तो. बट yeah, I guess the key is to keep getting better at it. You get so good that they can't reject you. It's that.
Looking back, what advice would you like to give to a young Momika?
Nothing, yeah, I think she's good. But yeah, one thing that I wish is that I wish she had joined or insisted in joining some films,
Okay.
acting school. Would have been awesome. But I am still okay with whatever that I've learned through this job. But I feel like would have been maybe nicer. So when you learn your craft, it just makes things easier.
So you come from a small town in Punjab, and so when you wanted to be an actress and you started quite young, obviously, how supportive were your parents? Because Desi parents, no matter how much they support us, they have this fear that, oh my God, this is a difficult industry to be in. My daughter might not be safe there, and all of these things. We can't blame them for having these doubts and all. So what was your case like?
Yeah, I have an amazing family. And when I say amazing family, the family kind of became amazing because of my father, because he was the head of the family and all of that. He's the one who is just a different person. He's a writer. He has some 13 books to his name. He was the artist in the family, and actually him and my grandfather also. So there's उनकी जो सोच है ना वो बहुत अलग थी. Like for them, it didn't matter you're a girl or you're a boy. For them, it was really about dreams. Achieve your dreams. Do something better with your life. उनके लिए बाकी सब चीजें बहुत बाद में आ रही थी कि ये क्या सोचेगा, वो क्या सोचेगा. I think they'd seen so much in their own lives that they understood that nothing will matter. Go for your dreams. Do what you want to do. Dream bigger. And it is because of my father only that this whole acting kira was there in my mind. I think it's only because of him that I could dream so big,
Yeah.
And I don't remember that one time when I thought ki, this is what I want to do. I just know this.
Right from your childhood.
This is what I've always known, that this is what I want to do in life.
And that's what you have been doing all your life. That's wonderful. And when you started doing shows and films, not as a child actress, but when you grew up as an adult actress, did you face any sort of judgment or discrimination from people within the industry, or people saying you things like ye aise karo, wo waise karo, asking you to do things that you maybe did not feel like doing? Did you ever go through any of that experience?
It's very weird that I've always, for some reason, my godfather, has always kept me away from such experiences. When people ask me that, oh, have you had any Vesa experience in the industry? No, I I don't know how else to explain. I've never encountered that kind of a person. Maybe I was never around such people. And a few people that I felt were very negative, God kind of made them
Go away.
go away from my life. But but yeah, look, people have made me feel certain things, and that must have made me feel whatever that it made me feel. But it was all a learning again. That's why it's so important to have like a really your nice circle around you who can motivate you. You should have the right people around you. Like if you feel little negative or uncomfortable around your own friends or people, get away. Don't be in a circle which is not making you feel uplifted.
Not getting the vibe.
And not making you feel like motivated and don't are not inspiring you to do better in life. If like I don't think anybody should be around those kind of people. Should always be with people that can who are themselves inspiring and want others also to do well in their lives. Yeah.
That's amazing. And now talking about your upcoming projects. Different languages, different genres, so many good actors and directors you're going to collaborate with. Tell me, out of all your upcoming projects, which role has been the most creatively challenging for you?
नहीं यार सभी ये मैं इसी तो हाँ बोली उन सबको.
Yeah,
I
that.
tell you जैसे दिल का दरवाजा
Hmm.
खोलना डार्लिंग is a completely different kind of a film than a भूत बंगला.
Yeah.
And they both are very different. तो अभी मुझे ये अच्छे से आता है तो जरूरी थोड़ी ना कि ये भी अच्छे से
हाँ.
आता है. चैलेंजिंग तो दोनों ही. अभी ये भी उतना ही चैलेंजिंग था, उससे निकल के ये करना भी उतना ही चैलेंजिंग था. तो इट्स नेवर लाइक आई थिंक सबके अपने अपने चैलेंजेस होते हैं. बट जैसे फॉर मी द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग वाज भूल
भूल चूक.
माफ because I was trying comedy for the first
हाँ.
time. So for that I was very nervous कि ये होगा कि नहीं. But then after that I got okay with it. But again, if I do another comedy film, it'll be again a different sense of
Yeah.
humor and all of that. It'll still be challenging for me. So I can't name like that. But in my previous works, I would say that Khufia was very challenging
Hmm.
because I played a mother and I'm very young. We shot this 5 years back. And I didn't know what a mother feels, for their child and how should I portray this. So I was talking to my mother, my chachi, my grandmother, just trying to figure out how they would feel and da da da. I remember Vishal sir kind of gave me this idea of thinking about my son like how I would think about my father.
Okay.
Because he knew that my father is the one that I loved the most, and I would never want anything to happen to my father. So he put that seed into my head while we were shooting that one scene, interval mein Kaata. And that changed everything. So that loss of my child, I kind of related in loss of my own parent. So that helped me get that. So that was very challenging to pull off.
To go through that feeling, to think.
Understand what you will go through.
Yeah.
First you have to understand what you're going to go through. So to get that, yeah, that it was obviously Vishal sir helped me and he's amazing. So yeah.
And you have for your upcoming projects worked with Jaya Bachchan, Akshay Kumar. Uh, they are like actors with different experience, caliber, and different personalities, but both great actors.
Amazing.
What was your like learning experience like? And also Jaya Bachchan, she has this image of like this strict woman who will scold you if you come near her. So how was she like on?
So stupid. She is such a nice woman. Such an amazing actor. So naughty.
Huh.
And her laughter is like a child. I've had like best time shooting with her. She's just, she's seen a lot of life. It's like she's old now,
Yeah.
right? And if my mother or my grandmother would be there with so many cameras around her, around them, they would be as irritated as her. So when they were actors, they didn't have this culture of paparazzi surrounding them like that, and they're not those people. So they will behave like these people who are getting irritated with whatever that is happening. Now we are used to it and might be normal for us. I don't know, when we'll grow old, there'll be something else that will be like, oh my god, ye to hota nahi tha hamare zamane mein. So I think it's just that. Otherwise, if you, like, because I've worked with her for almost a month, she's amazing to work with. I had such a good time shooting with her.
You might be used to the paparazzi culture, but do you at times not feel irritated that wherever you're going, they're just following you with cameras and...
Sometimes, but our Bombay paparazzi, they are very understanding also. Like, there'll be times where uh, I want them to stop shooting, so they will stop. They won't like keep shooting. Like, अभी तक का मेरा experience तो यही रहा है उनके साथ, that if I'm like kind of figuring something out and I tell them to just wait for some time. But otherwise, yeah, sometimes you don't want the paparazzi to come after you. But I think it's part and parcel of the whole journey. And I hope that even in that paparazzi, वो पूरे culture में और वो पूरे group में, there'll be good and sensible people who'll be guiding them to not become like the Western paparazzi and start आपको उस तरह से तकलीफ देना शुरू कर दें. I think we Indians are anyway, our culture is very strong. So even them, when they know that something is really hurting someone, they still stop. It's like in us to be good people, to not trouble somebody so much. So hopefully, I think agar wo goodness remains intact in everybody, then I don't think any problem should be there.
True, I think I relate to that. I mean, having worked with them so closely. Now, before I wrap up, my final question for you. What's the one crazy rumor that you have heard about yourself and you want to tell people right now that please don't believe me?
उम्र नहीं आया babe, अभी तो मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई है. आगे जाके कुछ आएगा तो बताओ.
कुछ मसालेदार. Okay, that was
hopefully.
Or maybe you can just like own the narrative कि हाँ ये सच है झूठ है. You believe what you want to believe.
देखते हैं when I'll experience it. Otherwise, जो ऐसे ही खबरें आती रहती हैं about some or the other thing, कोई फिल्म का या कुछ ऐसे, I think that to start taking so lightly, because you have a ऐसी news about everyone कि she is doing this, she is doing that, but it's not actually happening. It's just coming there. I think people also do that just to create that buzz or for some likes on their page or whatever. But not everything is true. So now I can't get worried about something that I also know is not true. But then it's happening with everybody. So then why do I need to take the stress?
Okay, that was great talking to you. All the best for your upcoming projects. And for people who have not watched Bhool Chuk Maaf yet, please go with your family members. It's a film you can watch it with your family.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for watching Film Fair.